God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk.
Hi guys, welcome back to another wash day routine. Now I'm going to be washing my hair with the same old products that you guys know. It has really helped my hair grow a lot, and I am a little bit skeptical of moving and shifting to a different product because I did want to try out the Afro Curl, but we'll do that at the end of the month or when my products run out, because for me, it doesn't make sense to buy something that you already have. So we're going to wait for them to run out, and then we're going to be starting with using Afro Curl. I hope that that's a significant growth, but let's just wash my hair and see how much it has grown, because I feel like my hair is just growing from strength to strength. However, I've been neglecting my hair, and I'm hoping that there's not a lot of breakage to it, and it smells very bad. I didn't know that going 2 weeks without washing your hair can smell this bad. But anyway, you guys, let's get into this wash day routine. Okay, let's just undo my hair. I'm going to be using my, what you call this thing now? I'm gonna use this.
Alex, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on my knees, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Did you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? You'll find me ugly, and one day you'll disappear, cause what's the point of crying? It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me,
Shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me,
Okay guys, I'm done with my hair, and this is how it looks like after washing. Absolutely beautiful. My curl pattern, I love it, but I'm still shredding, you see. There's still a little bit of shredding going on, but it's fine because my hair has been in cornrows for like 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna put this on. This is the Soft and Free Oil Moisturizer. So this is what I'm gonna put on just now. And then I'm gonna have my hair naturally dry because I don't want to put heat on it. we do not have heat protectant products yet, so I'm not gonna put any heat on my hair. But yeah, this is my hair, you guys. I'm so happy with the growth. It looks healthy. My hairline is still intact. I'm very much happy with it. And because I had a line here, I thought I'll have some breakage, but there isn't any. So yeah, you guys, I'm happy with my hair. I'm happy with the growth of my hair. Really. I've struggled so much over the years with my hair, and the only thing I had to do was stop relaxing. That's it. That was the only thing I had to do to experience healthy hair. So let's put on one more. Just on top. Oh, I'm moving the camera, sorry guys. And they have it. My hair is all done, you guys. My hair is all washed up. Let's style it. And yeah, let's style it and then I will leave. Oh God, it is so long. It is so long, guys. It is so long, but let's style it and let's take cute pictures. Yeah.
Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.